From here, the log can go to the DLI, which stands for double length infeed, or it can travel to the carriage saw. We will follow the log to the carriage saw first. At the carriage, lasers are used to scan the log and find the optimal solution to maximize the yield. The operator then manually runs the log up and down the track, slicing off pieces with the vertical bandsaw. These slabs will go to the resaw, a horizontal bandsaw, while the larger pieces, which we call cants, go to the curve saw gang. The carriage saw will cut the biggest logs in the mill up to around 42 inches in diameter. The horizontal resaw will now take off a 1-inch or 2-inch board from each slab. If the remaining slab is thicker than 2 inches, it will continue running through the machine until only waste is left. The waste then goes to the chipper to be made into chips. The resaw is the only machine in the mill that is not optimized with laser scanners. Now we will follow the log through the DLI to the reducer twin.